Hi, this is Michael Fiore, and in this short video, I want to teach you how to use simple little text messages sent from your average cell phone to multiply the romance and intimacy in your relationship literally overnight. In fact, if you simply pay attention over the next few short minutes and do what I say, like thousands of others have before you, you'll be amazed at how quickly things heat up. How you and your husband or wife, boyfriend or girlfriend suddenly find yourselves acting like giddy teenagers again. How you both suddenly feel this awesome, passionate connection, desire, joy, and excitement like you did when you first met. And how you're able to bring the sizzle back into your relationship, have fun together again, and regain that spark you've been missing for so long, literally at the push of a button. Of course, there's a huge difference between what gets men feeling romantic and what works on women. Guys are visual creatures. All it takes to get your average guy's heart racing and pulse pounding is a pretty smile, a girl in a bikini, or something that vaguely resembles a girl in a bikini. Women are enraptured and even hypnotized by stories, fun situations, sensuality, and language, which is why your average guy makes a beeline for Maxim magazine at the supermarket, while women find themselves poring over the gossip mags and secretly thumbing through stacks of steamy romance novels. So why is texting so powerful? Well, if you think about it, it's actually kind of obvious. The fact of the matter is, in our modern culture, there's simply nothing more personal or intimate than your cell phone. Need proof? Just imagine for a second the little horrible thrill of panic that would run through your body if you suddenly realized you'd left your phone at home, or worse yet, lost it for good. Did you just find yourself unconsciously reaching for your pocket or purse? Did you feel that horrible, nauseous feeling of panic and loss? Let me tell you, you're not alone. Most people are addicted to their cell phones. It's how we stay connected with the people we care about the most in the world, and how we escape the boredom and doldrums of our day. And once you learn the right messages to send, it's an incredibly powerful way to create your own little private fantasy world between you and the man or woman you love. A world where you can do and say anything, and create irresistible intimacy with your partner at the push of a button, where you can feed your husband or boyfriend the images that appeal to his most primal mind, so he can't stop thinking about you and counts down the moments until he sees you again. Where you can give your wife or girlfriend the sensual language that tickles the secret parts of her brain wherever she is, whenever you want. Where you can text the romance back into your relationship no matter how long it's been missing or how bad it's gotten. All you have to do to get started is enter your email address in the box you see on this page and select the radio button letting me know if you're a man or a woman. I'll give you 3 magic texts you can use tonight to immediately inject a startling amount of romance into your relationship, literally by remote control, and without having to be clever or romantic on your own at all. Plus, you'll get a full week of free training, teaching you secrets I promise no one has ever told you before about how your partner's romantic mind really works, and how to get him or her craving your attention at the push of a button. Sound good? Simply enter your email address in the box and start texting the romance back into your relationship tonight.